Today we're going to install the Motofab 3-inch leveling kit here on the Chevy Silverado. And yeah, it says it'll take about 2 hours, but you know that's always double with this kind of stuff. Probably 2 hours per side, but let's give it a shot. It's nose diving towards the front, and I'll measure it from the top of the rim up on the front and the back. That way we can tell how much it actually raised it. All right, I got the tape measure here. I'm gonna do from the top of the rim like this on both sides. Got from here to here. See about how much it is. This one is reading about 13.5. From the top of the rim up here, just about 11. So, we'll see. Now let me show you guys what I got. Right back here. So this is it. It's the 3-inch leveling kit. You can see it's made for just about every truck. So yeah, let's open it up. See what we get here in the package. Well, that's not important because it's not a sticker. We got one here. Got our screws and bolts. And yeah. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna measure that real quick. Now let's see if it's 3 inches. It's a 3-inch level. But yeah, it's just awful looking right now. So after this video, if you like how it looks, the Motofab, if you like how it looks, it does come with instructions just in case you want to get one for yourself. You see it says a front end alignment back to factory specs is required after the install, so you do have to get it realigned. All right, I'm gonna get the jack here and we're gonna lift it up, and I guess we'll start on the driver's side. We got our air compressor filled up. I got my box here to put the lug nuts in. Get the tires off. Now we're gonna raise it up a tad. There we go. We'll get this out of the way. Yeah, good to go. All right, now that we got it off, first thing you want to do is you want to take this off back here. Right here, like that. Takes a 3/4, just in case y'all wondering. And we're gonna mount it somewhere in here to get it out of our way. Once you get that brake caliper off and mount it somewhere, you want to next start with this tie rod here. You want to disconnect that. All right, once you get this all out of your way, next what you want to do is you want to get these bolts on the bottom of this strut and make it easier for this ball joint here. All right, we got them off, and if you're wondering, it takes a 15. Next, you see this ball joint here. You want to take this out right here. All right, we got that off. I found that it's easiest to come from this way instead of this way. I have no idea why, but trust me. You're gonna want to disconnect all these up here. Now that those bolts are out, you're gonna want to pop your sway bar loose. Now you want to put your Motofab on there and just reverse the steps. We'll see how tall it is.